Hi everyone! I'm Mandy. Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today we're making an easy, comforting shrimp mushroom tofu soup. This dish is everything I love about Chinese home cooking. Just simple ingredients can create such a wonderful balance of textures and flavors. It is light and refreshing that you can enjoy bowl after bowls, but it is also rich and satisfying at the same time. By the way, if you watched my previous video where I showed you how to make homemade flounder powder, then this recipe is the perfect demo of how to incorporate this beautiful seafood seasoning into your daily home cooking, and you'll be amazed how much lingering umami taste it brings to the soup instantly. So let's get started. In a wok, add oil, minced ginger, garlic, and diced the white parts of the scallions. I reserve the green parts to garnish at the end. Turn the heat to medium-low and stir for a few minutes or until the aromatics are golden brown and fragrant. This simple step creates the flavorful foundation of the soup. Add 1 large tomato, which I diced into bite-sized pieces. Continue cooking until it softens and starts to break down. The tomato here adds a vibrant color, a touch of sweetness, and just enough acidity to brighten the broth. If you don't have a fresh tomato on hand, about 1½ tablespoons of tomato paste will also work. Add Silken tofu, which I cut into cubes, and mushrooms. I'm using 2 kinds, so each one brings its own personality to the soup. If you can't find these exact varieties, don't worry, just use whatever mushrooms you have available. Pour in 4 cups of stock and bring the soup to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 3 minutes. Now add the shrimp and cook for a minute or until they just turn pink. Season it with 1½ tablespoon of oyster sauce and 2 tablespoons of dried flounder powder, the natural MSG in Cantonese cuisine. Just a couple of spoonfuls makes such a remarkable difference. Give the broth a taste. The chicken stock I used already contains sodium, so I don't need to add any extra salt. If you use unsalted stock, you will have to add some salt to taste. Garnish with some green scallions and we're done. There are lots of soup recipes that require hours of simmering, but most days you just need something quick and easy. So 15-minute soups like this are popular in Cantonese kitchens. Using everyday ingredients, treat them with a little care and love, and you can create a bowl of soup that is so healthy, comforting, and incredibly satisfying.